Hello, welcome to 52 Weeks YouTube channel. Here we provide instructional videos on some of the most useful softwares and applications out there. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make killer YouTube videos. You will avoid having to hire someone to perform your instructions if you watch this video all the way. And you'll be able to alter them regularly as your YouTube channel grows. I'll be doing a lot more Canva tutorials in the future. So between you and me, if there's anything you'd like to know or learn about, just let me know in the comments section below and I will make a video ASAP. Now let's get started with the Canva tutorial. Now that we are here, let me take you around a bit. You have hundreds of beautifully designed templates for almost everything, but we are going to go straight to videos now, YouTube videos. With this selected, I'm 100% sure that the sizes are going to be accurate. As you can see, there are several templates for all kinds of themes you might want for your video. The first thing I like to do is write the subject of my video. In this case, it's how to stay motivated. There we go. Now, let's increase the size a bit. Obviously, you want to make the size as big as aesthetically possible for everyone to read. And it's also the safest thing you can start playing with. Then, let's move towards adding a background. All you'll ever need to make anything on Canva can be found in Elements in the toolbar on the left. Over the years, Canva has added lots of things here. You just have to search and you'll find it. Let's go for this dark background over here. You can choose a light one if you want. You definitely have to play with the fonts a little, the colors and everything. Just have to set it, make it look like a professional YouTube video. Rather, let's take a video background. I think it will jazz up our content a little. Making the text readable is important. While doing that, one can always play with the colors as much as possible. We can also add some effects to the text. This is one of the major reasons I upgraded to Canva Premium for my work, as it just opens many doors for me to be creative. I can always go deeper into the effect and change some of its parameters, like its roundness, its transparency, and lots of other things. So yeah, that's Canva Pro. Now that my text is in place, let's find the right image to go with it. In my mind, athletes motivate me, so I'm gonna look for an animated one. Like I said, there are hundreds of options to choose from, but you can go for anything, but I want to go for an animated athlete. So I'm gonna find one over here. There he is. Yeah, that's my guy. Let's put him here. Adjust the size, make it aesthetic, and voila, that's my cover. Now, since we're making videos, you can see a time marking that is too long for anyone's liking. We can just drag the clip and make it shorter. 5 seconds should be enough for me or anyone, I feel. There we go. Also with Pro features, you can animate a clip like you see over here. I'll make the text animate. The icon is already animating and the background is also moving. Thus, there's a lot of motion I've packed into this clip. Now, let's move on to making the next clip of my video. As you can see, what I've done is just make a duplicate of the existing clip I had because A, I don't want to change the background, and B, I don't want to set the time again. 5 seconds should be enough. Now, let's remove the animated athlete from here because what I need from this frame is just to highlight the main OST for me. For those who don't know, OST means on-screen text. So this is what I'm going to use my frame for. Let's find a nice bold font. Since this is an imaginary video for me, the real one is what you're seeing. The imaginary OST will be 10 useful tips to stay motivated. Let's add new color to it. Make it bigger. Bigger is always better. Let's make motivated also bigger since that's what this video is all about. Now let's add an animation to give our OST a finish. There you go. Done. Let's move on to the next frame of the video. In this frame, I'm going to go with a different kind of treatment. I'm going to put a motivating clip from one of Canva's vast resources. Sticking to the theme of the video, let's find another inspiring athlete. This kid seems just about right. Adjust the clip right there and make it fit. Then we move on to adding another OST to it, which in this case will be Dream Big. Increase the font size, then find a nice font, add a background to it from effects, change the color, make it more readable, and yes, let's add an animation and also shorten the clip. Moving on to the next frame, like we treated the previous section, we'll be adding a video clip from Canva's vast resources and adding an animated text to it. So I'll just fast forward you through the process. Now, let's preview the final output. Witness the power of Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Also, do subscribe to our channel if you're interested in learning about how to make YouTube content as fast and easy as possible.